Today, I want to share with you $1 billion copywriting skill, $1 billion copywriting skill. Now, where does that number come from? It actually comes from one specific company, Agora Inc. They are well known for what's called big idea copywriting. And on the strength of big idea copywriting over the course of a few decades, they have grown into a $1 billion a year publishing company, including all of the imprints or all of the companies that exist under the Agora Inc. parent company. They're some of the leaders in financial publishing, some of the leaders in health publishing, and together $1 billion a year in revenue. And the copywriters, if you become an Agora copywriter, you're taught big idea copywriting, you learn it, it's embedded into the culture. But the big question is, like, how do you find or create big ideas? And for a long time, I think that what happened is different copywriters would get this intuitive sense of like, okay, I can recognize that as a big idea, right? But one of the things that I like to do is take apart a concept like that and say, okay, but what really makes something a big idea? What makes something compelling in that way where you just really want to pay attention? And I actually identified three big idea types that if you look at basically every single hugely successful promotion in Agora or beyond, it's going to fall into one of these three categories. And I want to share these with you today. These are the proven direct response marketing, copywriting, and entrepreneurship success strategies you can use today to write your own ticket and create the life you want. I am Roy Furr, and this is Breakthrough Marketing Secrets. Now, here's today's breakthrough. Okay, so before we get into the actual content of today's episode, I want to remind you that you need to be claiming your spot on my Black Friday 2022 waitlist. Basically, I'm going to offer a deal that I've never offered before on some of my best copywriting training that is very relevant to today's episode. And the link, it's the first link in the description to the claiming your spot on my Black Friday 2022 waitlist. This is how you're going to get first access to the deal, which is really important because it's going to be limited. The number of people that get the price is going to be limited. So sign up for the waitlist. You'll get first announcement of when that deal becomes available. All right, so let's talk about these three big idea types in the context of direct response copywriting. Basically, this comes from direct response copywriting where your copy has to actually generate a response. And in most cases, if somebody's writing big idea copy, it's actually to make a sale. It's to make a sale, just because somebody read the piece of copy. And it's going to be based on one of these three big idea types. Number one is the urgent problem. In other words, you have an urgent problem and I have a solution. Number two is the 10x opportunity. That is, you want this thing and I have a 10 times better way of helping you get it. Number three is the imminent prediction. That is, something is about to come true and you are going to need to take action as a result. Let me tell you what that action is. And like I said, if there's a huge, wildly successful promotion in terms of generating sales because of the copy that's written, it's going to fall under one of those three things. So if you're going to write copy with an urgent problem, big idea, basically the copy is, hey, if there's a problem, I'll solve it, right? You have the problem, right? You have this problem. I understand the problem and I have a superior solution for you. So, hey, if you have this problem, here's what you need to know about the problem, why you haven't solved it yet, and what the solution needs to be. I've created this superior solution and you can have the superior solution. Just, all you have to do is send me $97, right? Enter your credit card here. That's the fundamental flow of an urgent problem promotion. If you're writing copy with a 10x opportunity, big idea, it's, hey, you have this desire, you want this thing, right? I understand that desire and I have a 10 times better way to get the desire. And you can have this 10 times better way. Just, enter your credit card here. So again, like with the problem, it's hey, if you're facing this problem, if you're facing this challenge, I have a solution for you that I understand better than you do. And because I understand it better, I've been able to create this solution for you. Likewise, hey, you want this desire, you want to be successful as a copywriter, you want to grow your business, you want to, whatever it is, or, some other avenue completely, you want to grow stronger, you want more fitness, you want this, right? You want a better relationship. I understand a 10 times better way, and you can have it, right? And so that's what's being conveyed through these. Now, imminent prediction is a little bit trickier. And honestly, most of the investment promotions that Agora puts out are an imminent prediction big idea. That does not mean that it's appropriate for every market. On a broader basis, the problem is probably the most applicable big idea type. Hey, you have a problem. I have a superior solution for you. And in a lot of businesses, that 10x opportunity is going to be the better or more common. But in the context of especially writing about the investment markets where things are always changing and people are always kind of trying to look into the crystal ball and predict the future in order to achieve superior returns, of course, this imminent prediction big idea type is going to dominate. And basically, this is something is about to happen. No, really, it's basically happening right now. Like this event is happening right now. And it's either going to create an urgent problem for you. So if it's a negative prediction, like some negative event that's happening, okay, that's going to create this urgent problem. Or if it's a positive event, like this opportunity is unfolding, then it's going to create this 10x opportunity for you. So you can compare like the bull market, everybody's chasing greed 10x opportunities, right? Or they're identifying that there is some kind of catastrophe coming, a bear market, right? So that would be the urgent problem. And then you basically continue it as above, right? So the imminent prediction is going to create an urgent problem, or it's going to create a 10x opportunity. And I am uniquely able to provide the next course of action for you to take. Now, if you're using these three big idea types, it's worth knowing they work in basically any market, right? Any kind of copy where you're going to explain, like, here's the situation that my product or service is ideal for. Like, it's going to be based on one of these three big idea types. So your job as the copywriter, as the marketer, is to look out for different ideas in the marketplace that you can identify, like in news stories and in your research, in the product creation process, all of that. Look out for ideas that match, right? Find, okay, oh, that's a problem that the majority of my market is really interested in solving. Oh, this is the opportunity that my market is pursuing. What is a 10 times better way to do that? Or, something is about to happen in the market, in the world, in the, whatever, that's going to create a problem or create an opportunity for my market through my product or service, my offer, right? So you want to look out for any kind of ideas that you can match to one of these three big idea types, and then like adapt. You want to adapt your narrative to the big idea type. You want to adapt your big idea type to the narrative. Like you just want to figure out how to fit them together, right? And then, there are plenty more details. You have to flesh out more details as you go to really define how this works. And in my high velocity copywriting training, which, by the way, that's why I'm saying sign up for that wait list, I even include a templates bonus where first I walk through the three big idea types and how to accomplish those and like how they inform your writing of copy. But then I come at it from a completely different perspective. If you're going to start at the top with an urgent problem lead, and have that be your big idea, how do you start at the top and write an entire promotion from that? How do you start at the top with a 10x opportunity and write an entire promotion from that? How do you start at the top with an imminent prediction and write an entire promotion from that? And this kind of thinking is what's installed in that high velocity copywriting training. And it goes much deeper, obviously, than I can cover in a quick episode here. So my call to action for you, number one, like and subscribe. If you want more content like this, make sure you like and subscribe here so you can get that. And ask yourself, like we've just gone through this lesson on three big idea types. How can you use this as you're writing copy? How can you use the idea that if I can solve an urgent problem, I'm more likely to get response? If I can present a 10x opportunity, I'm more likely to get response. If I can make an imminent prediction, that forces action in response to an urgent problem or a 10x opportunity, I'm more likely to get response. So ask yourself how you can use this. Not can I use this, but how can I use this, right? And don't forget to claim your spot on my Black Friday 2022 waitlist. It's the first link in the description. I'm Roy Furr. This is Breakthrough Marketing Secrets. I'm here every day doing these episodes, hopefully delivering a ton of value to you, and I'll catch you again next time. Thank you once again for tuning in to this daily episode of Breakthrough Marketing Secrets. Remember, check out the links with this episode for even more value. Now make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and engage in every way you can to keep this show going and growing and delivering daily value to you. I'll catch you soon for your next big breakthrough.